I pack my bag happily. I pack my bag happily.
I call my friend before leaving. I call my friend before leaving.
I lock my house carefully. I lock my house carefully. I sit in the taxi quietly. I sit in the taxi quietly. I reach the airport early. I reach the airport early.
I carry my travel pillow. I carry my travel pillow.
I board the airplane happily. I board the airplane happily.
I sit near the window. I sit near the window.
I arrive at my destination. I arrive at my destination. I reach my beach hotel. I reach my beach hotel. I walk near the sea. I walk near the sea. I relax on a beach chair. I relax on a beach chair. I enjoy a park picnic. I enjoy a park picnic. I take a beach selfie. I visit a colorful market. I visit a colorful market. I taste local street food. I taste local street food. I ride a bicycle slowly. I ride a bicycle slowly. I read a book in the garden. I read a book in the garden. I walk along a river. I walk along a river. I visit a beautiful mountain town. I visit a beautiful mountain town. I watch birds in nature. I watch birds in nature. I watch the sunset hills. I watch the sunset hills. I sit in a mountain cafe. I sit in a mountain cafe. I visit a famous museum. I visit a famous museum. I explore an old town. I explore an old town. I admire a big waterfall. I admire a big waterfall. I walk through a snowy street. I walk through a snowy street. I sit beside a fireplace. I sit beside a fireplace. I climb a scenic hill. I climb a scenic hill.